Lately, there's a hot topic on everybody's mind, and that is what's going on with the mortgage rates these days. And honestly, I wish I had a crystal ball and tell you exactly what's going on, but the truth is that it's a bit of mystery, even to the experts. Now, the latest buzz for 2024 suggests that we might see a dip in rates. And although this may be real, these rates are like a roller coaster. They're unpredictable and they're always moving. And so here's a slice of friendly advice from me to you. And that is focus on what you can influence. All that other stuff, let that be. If buying a home is in your stars, zero in on finding the right one. Don't get too hung up on interest rates and that whole game. Why? Because property prices, they're just going to keep climbing. And unfortunately, we can't hop on that time machine and snag that deal from the past. And I can tell you from experience, back in 2005, I bought my first house in San Diego. And back then, the market was just nuts. And although I bought my house for $540, and that might seem like a screaming deal today, back then it wasn't. Back then, that was expensive, and the interest rates were higher, and just overall, it was not easy. But we jumped in and we did it, and we figured it out, and we were able to afford our monthly payment. And it wasn't easy. But when the interest rates eventually came down, we jumped on that refi train. And guess what? Our monthly payments, they drastically came down. And at the same time, when all of that was going on, our equity was climbing. And today I sit in this house, the same house that I bought back then. If I were to sell this today, it would easily sell for 1.2 conservatively to 1.3. And so feeling a bit overwhelmed, that's normal. And I totally get it. That's why I'm here to guide you, to brainstorm with you, and to help you make the smartest move with what we have here in place. Let's partner up and let's dive into the local market. Together, we'll craft a perfect plan for you. Let's chat soon.